Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm back to share with you a very special recipe which is creamy chicken made of chicken thighs. So in case if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe by pressing the bell button and share it with your family and friends. So let's get started with the ingredients. We have 500 grams of chicken thighs, salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. So we need to ensure that there is absolutely no water into the chicken after it's washed, and slit the chicken a little bit deep so that these masalas can get really well into the chicken slits. So once we've added the chili powder, the pepper powder and the salt, ensure that you turn them around and add those particular ingredients therein as well, the remainder of the ingredients. For those who have the time to keep it marinated for 15 minutes, that would be the ideal thing. But in case if you do not have the time and you need to make it quickly, that's absolutely no problem as well. We need to ensure that all these particular masalas have been rubbed into the chicken and especially into the slits. So here if you see, they look really well with the masalas, the chicken pieces. So here you see that the oil was already heated up into the pan. That is when we put the butter into the pan. Do not directly put the butter into the pan without the oil being heated up, or else it may start burning. So once the butter dissolves, we put these particular chicken pieces which were marinated with the masalas into the pan. So we need to keep the flame on medium, and once it is fried on one side, we just turn so that it gets evenly fried on both the sides. Let it be on medium gas itself. Once the other side has also been fried, just turn it back yet again until it's totally fried nicely. So once you get this brown little layer on the chicken, that's when we know that it is fried well. So now it's time for us to remove it across into a bowl or maybe a plate, and we proceed further in making the creamy sauce, because this is creamy chicken, right? So here we have one small onion which is finely chopped, a green chili, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. We have 2 tablespoons which we'll take of fresh cream, 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. We've used Amul cheese and Amul cream, 1 bowl of chicken stock. We also have some more ingredients which we need to be used. That would be half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Just in case if you have any mixed herbs at home, you can also use them. So the oil was already heated up, and that's where we again now introduce the butter. So we'll allow that to dissolve. As the butter is dissolved into the oil, that's when we put the onions and the chilies. We just decided to add one more chili in there. Whilst you may have seen in the picture there was just 1 chili. So just mix the chilies and the onions together. Let the onions start cooking up and they leave the water. We add the garlic. That's the time that we add the garlic, and we keep mixing the garlic, the chili and the onions to be fried well into the butter and the oil. So once that has been fried well, we add the chicken stock to the pan and keep mixing them so that all of the ingredients get mixed up well. So we'll allow that to simmer a little bit. Once it starts simmering, that's the time that it's to add our next ingredient, and that is fresh cream. So 2 tablespoons of fresh cream need to be added across to this particular mixture which we have into the pan, and that again needs to be mixed well. So we need to ensure that there are no lumps that get created across whilst adding the cream. Now we add the cheese, and then again mix the cheese well into the particular mixture. There we've mixed that. That's when we are now adding half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, and little herbs which we mentioned of, which are optional. Just in case if you have them at home, you can add them across. It will just enhance the taste. In case if you do not have them readily available at home, do not go to buy them specifically for this recipe. So just mix all of them really well, and once that has been mixed, we would then now put across the fried chicken into the pan. Once we add the fried chicken into the pan, we see the texture of this particular gravy is very thin. So let's take a spoon and add it across on the chicken as well, because as and when it simmers, it will start getting thicker. So now one side of it was already cooked with the gravy. Now see, the gravy is turning into sauce, the creamy sauce that we now needed. So we need to turn that yet again, and keep on adding it with a spoon on top of it, so that it gets into the slits well. So there the thumbs up comes in, which means it's ready. So we'll transfer the pieces first into a plate and then add the sauce on top of it. So friends, this is all ready to eat. So please try this lovely recipe, and thanks for watching our video. Stay safe,